Hello, Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, no, it's in the yesterday's newspaper, yes. Today we have no newspaper on Sunday. The yesterday's newspaper is the Saturday, October the 30th, 2021. I've already solved those two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. Now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. The last puzzle I would do is the Tectonic with 1 star. And this one will be number 3617. 3617. Okay, 3617. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Yes, 19 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual boxes. I cannot see any dual boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have any triple boxes here? Let me scan. No triple boxes. Then following question. Quadra box. I see here the quadra box. I cannot fill this yet, but I see here 2. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. We see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Quadra box, only 1? Yeah. Then, the following strategy. Yeah, I cannot continue. So, the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, or construction. For example, the L shape. We have the L shape here. Let me draw this. The L shape. The L shape. If you see the L shape, this is upside down, the L shape. I think it's rotated also. No, it's mirrored. If you see the L shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So we have an L shape here. This box has always the same number as that box. More L shapes here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, the L shape. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about? How about? Well, we have here this shape. This kind of shape here. This kind of shape. Let me draw this. Yeah. Okay, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. We have only one shape here. I see here the Z construction, the Z shape. Let me draw this here. Okay, if you see the Z shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only one Z shape or structure or figure Then the following shape, how about the T shape? The T shape, rotate it. Okay, let me draw this. Okay, the T shape. If you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so it's already filled in, the 5, yeah. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so this box, same number as that box. Okay, the T shape, only one we have here. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape. Well, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more of here another shape we have here. Yeah, last one. I think this is the last one. This shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. Alright. Those are the figures or shapes or structures or constructions that you need to recognize. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe we have all of them here in this puzzle here. All of those. We have 6 shapes that you need to recognize to solve this puzzle. Then it's easy, the following step. Then it's easy for filling the numbers. Alright, so let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These 3 boxes surround a 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We see here another 1 there, so no 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be here. These 3... Oh, we already have 1 here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this T shape for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark. Well, I cannot place a 2 here. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 and the 3, the 2 should be in this box, and the 3 goes in that box. Alright. Well. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Okay, now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the number 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. Wait. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be a 3? So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can it be 2. These 2 boxes can it be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, the other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Alright, let me mark those 2 boxes. Then. How about these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, we have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. How about? Let me think. 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. Well. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore because we have a double 1 there. So this box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. We go up. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. Well, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or a 5. Then. Well. This box cannot be a 5 because we have a double 5 here. So no 5 here. The 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. So 1, 2, 5. The difficult part. Okay. 3 and the 5. Think. This box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And I need a 1 in this area. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 4, 5. Well, this box cannot be a 4 or 5. We need a 1, 4, and a 5 here. But I cannot place a 4 here, cannot place a 5 here, because we have a double 4 and a double 5 there. So I think this box should be a 1, okay. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 or 5. 4 or 5, okay. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Okay. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Finished in 60 minutes. Wow! A little bit slower than I've expected. 60 minutes. Well, because I need to be faster for 15 minutes. So yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. Alright, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudoku. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on a Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.